Owethula ubufakazi namhlanje ophenyweni lokushona kwalowo owayewudokotela kanye nesishohovu sobandlululo uNiel Agget udadewabo UJill Burger. UJill Burger uchaze umfowabo njengomuntu owayenobubele.
So help me God.
Udadewabo kaDokotela uNiel UJill Burger ethula ubufakazi uqale wabonga umbuso ikakhulukazi iNPA ngokuqala kabusha lolu phenyo lokushona kukamfowabo.
I would like to thank the state and particularly the NPA for reopening this inquest. My brother's death has left an open wound which has never fully closed, and I would like to have closure. And that closure can only come from finding the truth, my lord. Why did the security police pursue my brother so relentlessly? And secondly, I want the truth of how he died.
Uthi ubaba wakhe wayengeneme neze ngesinqumo sikaNiel sokuba isishohovu sezinyunyana.
I can honestly say he was not happy about Niel's decision. My mother loved Niel for what he was, what he believed in. There was no question about her loyalty to him, and certainly my loyalty as well. We had, my husband and I, we just welcomed him with open arms as a member of our family. But my father was not happy about this, and he felt that he'd thrown away a promising medical career.
Uqhube wathi wayengazi ukuthi kungabe umfowabo sezifake ezinkingeni.
I never thought that he might be in danger because I knew he was far too sensible to put himself in danger, which would pull him out of the whole job he was doing, which he was so passionate and dedicated to. And I couldn't imagine him doing anything illegal.
Uthi wathola ucingo lwaluvela kumfowabo mhla zingamashumi-27 kuLwezi emtshela ukuthi useboshiwe.
He was very calm. He said, "Don't you worry. I've done nothing wrong. There's nothing that they can pin on me. I'm just here for questioning and interrogation. But all's well, Jill. Don't worry. Please let mum and dad know where I am."
Uthi wagcina ukumbona umfowabo mhla zingamashumi-31 kuZibandlela ngo-1981 emvakashele eStockton ePitoli. Isicau siyaqhubeka.